Okay, hello, I'm Tyler, and today I'm going to teach you how to build a Lego remote control car and the remote. This is what it's going to look like. And here's the remote. Pretty cool, huh? Now, please enjoy this awesome picture of my Lego Awesomobile. Da-da-da-da! While I dismantle this.
My dad is paying you to shoot a commercial? In real money? Because I got chicken fingers for allowance last week.
Alright, so now I've taken it apart. So you're going to need 3 flat 2x4 pieces. A 2x6 piece, orange small piece, handler piece, 2-piece Lego, and stick shift control, Lego seat, and 2 see-through covers, 4 wheels, 4 wheel holders, and another one of these. So you're gonna take the 2 wheels and put them on the 4 wheel holder, and then you're gonna take the 8 wheel holder and put on the 2 wheels. You're gonna put the long piece on like that, and then put it back on the short piece. Then you're gonna take the 2 short pieces, put it on. See how it has corners, and this has kind of like a round edge. You're gonna put the round edge in the middle, and the corners on top of it. Then you're gonna put it on like that. Take the clear piece, put it on. Take the see-through clear piece, and then you're gonna take the red piece, stick it on. Take your handler piece, stick it on the top. Take your stick shift control, put it right there, and then you got your stick shift, and right there. And please watch my other videos for the Lego car.